If I could take you up in boom 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 boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Plans would come true. Spend my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Yeah. Take you up in boom 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 boom, tell me I'm the only one.
We are just walking towards Prinsep Ghat. See that bridge? It's damn high. See? It's damn high. So we are going through a shortcut because you have to reach it before the sun sets. That was awesome view. So we are properly at the Prinsep Ghat. Let's just hang around, let's just explore this place a little bit. So back there was a wedding photo shoot going on. So this is the Prinsep Ghat station. So we are right now at the railway tracks trying to take some good pictures. The train can come at any moment, so it's a kind of risky job, but still we are trying to do it because we don't want to go home without taking good pictures. So Gaurav is taking pictures of this bridge, Vivekananda setu, and after that I hope he will take my pictures and his pictures also. So let's go. See those names back there? That's the power of love. So we are trying to search for the best spot where we can capture pictures. I hope Gaurav has found one. So he's going in for the best shot. Gaurav, jete parbi na okhane jhop jongol.
সবাই ফটোগ্রাফি সব চলে।
So we're hunting for the place where we can take good pictures. I think this is the fisherman's area where people go for fishing. So these are the fisherman boats. So that was the fisherman boats. I believe they're just waiting because it's already dark. The view here is superb. See that bridge? It's looking awesome, and it looks awesome at night also when they light up those lights. Train gone. Now the roads are clear. I mean the tracks are clear. Andhera कायम रहे. So this is the way we can vlog with the mobile flash because
and with the DSLR too.
Yes, with the DSLR too. So right now we are going towards the Prinsep Ghat. See how the bridge looks great right now with the blue and the white lights. It looks pretty damn awesome. So we are at the Prinsep Ghat, so we are here and it's quite dark, so we can't take pictures, so we're just going from this location to another location. So right now we are at Prinsep Ghat. This is the monument. I hope you can hear my voice because this place is little much crowded today because today is Sunday. So that's the monument back there. Let me just explore this monument first. So just see the B-rolls.
If I could take you up in boom boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. did come true. And I think that my whole life loving you, life could be a dream, sweetheart. And I ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang. Boom, ba, bo, ba, do, ba, do, ba, day. And I ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang. Boom, ba, bo, ba, do, ba, do, ba, day. Oh, life, and I ding dong. If I could take you up in boom, boom, bo, sh, boom, boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Ba, bo, ba, bo, ba, bo. Life could be a dream. And I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, my whole life loving you, life could be a dream, sweetheart.
This place doesn't really have anything. There's just these monuments, just as long pillars and all stuff. So there is nothing that much big, that much great here. So yeah, I'm just getting out of this place right now because there is nothing to do in that place, and that place was a little bit crowded. So I'll be chilling here at this place because this place is less crowded than that place.